everyone, it's Amanda, and today I am bringing you this video that was inspired by Draculaura from Monster High. I hope you enjoy this video. I had so much fun making it, and I will see you next time. Remember to embrace your freaky flaws. Hey everyone, so I went ahead and prepped my face. So the first thing I'm going to do with my eyes is I'm going to apply a light hot pink eyeshadow with an eyeshadow brush onto my lid. I'm going to bring it up to my crease. I'm going to have a rounded shape to kind of match what the character Draculaura has. So we're just going to blend this out and we're going to pat it onto our eyelid to help keep it from having eyeshadow fall out. And then we're going to go ahead and use the same brush and we're going to go in with a white eyeshadow, and this is for our brow bone as a highlight. Next, we're going to go in with a fluffy blending brush. I'm using a slightly darker hot pink eyeshadow, and I'm just going to blend this in my crease, and I'm going to bring it up to the white, not all the way, but just to blend it into the two eyeshadows we've already applied. And I'm going to keep the rounded shape that I was making with the light pink eyeshadow. And we're using windshield wiper motions, blending back and forth, so everything is nicely blended and there's no harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with a pencil brush, and I am using an even darker hot pink shade, and I am taking this right into my crease, and then I'm slowly kind of bringing it onto the outer edge of my eyelid. This is just to give a little defined shape and to add even more dimension, and I'm only doing this because on the dolls of this character she has like a line that kind of represents her crease, and it's a darker hot pink shade. Next, I'm going in with black eyeshadow and I'm using the angle brush. This is actually for my eyebrows. I chose to fill in my eyebrows with black eyeshadow so it would match the wig a little bit better. I got this wig, by the way, on Amazon. It's an adult one size fits all kind of wig. So if you do have a large head, it probably won't fit you, because I have like a size 21, 22 head, and this wig was very small and tight on me. As you can see, like, there was a struggle. But anyways, I'm just filling in my eyebrows like you normally would, using a shadow just to kind of fill it in, give it shape. Next, I'm going in with a liquid eyeliner. Any liquid eyeliner that you want to use, feel free to. This was a really cheap one, so it's not even really worth mentioning. And don't mind my little kitty. That's Bo, by the way. So I am just doing a thin line and then I'm winging it out. And let me tell you, applying eyeliner with a kitten at your little station is not easy to do. So holding the skin taut, like I'm doing here, it really helps to keep your eyelid smooth so that way you don't have a jagged line. But it isn't necessarily the greatest practice because it can increase your chances of wrinkles, if that makes sense. So next I'm going in with mascara, any mascara you want, feel free to use. And once we apply our mascara, then we're going to go in with false lashes. Now it's totally optional, you don't need false lashes. I honestly don't even know what the number is for these lashes or their brand. It's just what I had. So if you want, you can use any kind of lashes, or you can use your real lashes. I would encourage like ones that flare out a lot, because Draculaura does have a sassy kind of personality, and if you look at her makeup, her lashes are pretty long and they flare out at the end. So that's why I chose these. So once our lashes are applied, then we're going to go in and do our bottom liner. Now you can do your bottom liner before you apply mascara on your lower lash line. It's totally up to you. So what I did first was I applied black liner to my waterline, and then I went in and applied it to my lower lash line as well. As you can see here, just kind of make it a little more even. Draculaura does have lower liner as well, so that's why I chose it. Next we're going to go in with blush. So I'm just using a random blush brush, and I am going to go in with a light pink blush. I'm starting at the apples of my cheeks and blending back. This is because Draculaura has a very rosy smile, and so, and her favorite color is pink. That's why I chose it. So next we're going to go in with a hot pink lipstick. The one I'm using is by Revlon, and it's called Fuchsia. Any hot pink lipstick that you have will do though. And then I'm going to go in with Chroma. It's a joystick, and it's also a hot pink. And I'm just doing Draculaura's signature heart birthmark just to finish the look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.